Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix Snapchat media upload error very easily. So without being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, you just have to go to your iOS App Store or Google Play Store, and once it loads up, just go to search and type in Snapchat, and here you have to make sure that it's updated. So mine is not updated because it's showing me an update option, so I just have to click on update and it will update the Snapchat application. And in most cases this should fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't fix your problem, what you can do is restart your iPhone or Android device. If it still doesn't fix your problem, you can offload the app on iOS, or you can just delete the cache on an Android phone. So this should fix your problem guys. If it still doesn't fix your problem, what you can do is just go to google.com and contact Snapchat customer support like this. Just go to the first link, type in Snapchat customer support on Google, and just contact them, and they will fix your problem within 48 hours maximum. So yeah guys, this is how I do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.